survey says. I gotta get out past the big rock. Some nice places here for sure. For sure. I can't imagine it'd be... Ever notice the more inconvenient the place is, the more expensive it is? Like, I mean, there's no yard, really. It's just that you're on the side of a cliff, right? Oh, good. He didn't hit the... I hope he did in here. Oh, because that's going to be a pain in the butt. He didn't. Maybe that's why I didn't hit the box yet. I'm trying to get my truck up and tuck it up into here. I have to park it here because the front wheels have to go on the over this. Oh, just a little bit of a hump. Don't hit the wood pile. Yeah, right there. Lock it into place. Okay, now I gotta put my brakes on, my emergency brakes on. Where's my gloves? I'll show you how I do the emergency brakes. This is emergency brake Quebec style. Oh, is he coming in here? Maybe I better wait for him. One emergency brake. Emergency brake's got a little bit of doodatter on it. I have a 2 emergency brake. There we go. Yeah. Well, if he comes back, I'll move. I got work to do too, buddy. I got work to do too. There we go. Crash, bang, crash, crash, crash. All right. What am I looking at up here? How much work am I gonna be doing? Did all the snow melt? I might not be doing too much work today. Okay, I gotta go check this out first.